Are you interested in traditional Japanese soul food in the nostalgic street of old Tokyo? Welcome to Suzy's Discover Japan! Now we arrived Tsukishima. It's famous for monjayaki. Today's dinner, we will go to Monjyayaki restaurant. Today's guest is my friend Megu. She lived around here for more than 10 years. So she's gonna take me to her favorite Monjyayaki restaurant. Here we go! Yay! So this street is called as Monja Street. So both sides, right side or left side, both sides, there are full of Monjyayaki restaurant. This is first time for me, and there are so many Monjyayaki restaurants. And if I'm alone, I have no idea where I should get in. Tsukishima, known as the birthplace of monjayaki, boasts numerous monjayaki restaurants well loved by locals and tourists alike. Beyond monjayaki, Tsukishima is famous for its local gourmet, including a unique melon pan bakery. While it doesn't taste like melon at all, this bread with a melon-like appearance is a popular treat. Do you have it in your country? Melon pan is a great treat, and my son, a university student, loves it for his breakfast. Here is Megu's favorite monja restaurant, a beloved local spot for over 30 years. Let's step inside. It just opened, so there's nobody else yet. I love the retro ambience blending modernity with historic charm. So they have a variety of menu. This is Japanese menu, but for non-Japanese, they have Korean. They have Chinese. They have Chinese menu and English menu. So don't worry, you don't have to speak Japanese. It's easy to order. So we will order spicy cold roll, rice cake, and cheese. This is. And for okonomiyaki, we will order octopus. We will order octopus, squid, pork, noodles, and tempura bits. Okay, we're gonna order this because in Japanese menu they say this is recommended. So we recommended for Japanese, so we're gonna order this. And also as a dessert, we will order sweet bean paste wrapped in a crepe. While waiting for our dishes, let's enjoy a refreshing beer. It's been a long day and beer tastes especially good. We have ordered both monjayaki and okonomiyaki. We start with monjayaki. Compared to Osaka or Hiroshima okonomiyaki, which has chewy base made with flour, eggs, cabbage, and other ingredients, monjayaki has less flour, no egg, and more watery consistency. The ingredients and broth are in a bowl, so first we cook the ingredients first. It requires hold straight the bowl to avoid spilling the broth.
Once the cabbage softens, gather it, create a donut shape in the middle. Then gradually add the broth, ensuring it mixes evenly. When it becomes gooey, thoroughly mix it. Here is the finished product. With crispy edges, it's delightful to eat, especially the crunchy bites.
面白い。なんとも言えない。don't think it's gross. should be delicious. いただきます。Actually, it's very good. And maybe it's difficult to imagine how it tastes like from this look. from this look. But don't think it's gross. It's very delicious thing. And the taste is, I taste a lot of dashi. Dashi is Japanese fish broth. Very strong smell of fish broth. And also with this ingredient, for example, fish egg, fish roll, and with mochi and with cabbage. It's a mixture of very complex flavor and texture, and the taste. It's a very complex taste. So you should try it. It's kind of a part of Japanese culture. Japanese, how to say, shitamachi culture. Very different from lunch, our lunch menu today. So it's nice to experience this atmosphere. I really like it. This restaurant is very tourist welcome, non-Japanese welcome restaurant, and I'm sure that you're gonna enjoy it. Right. So after we eat monjayaki, we clean up for the next turn. Next one is okonomiyaki. So first we clean it up, the plate. 結構綺麗になるね。Wow. これを Oh, there's a dust box. へえ。ここに捨てちゃってどうなんの？いいの？
Now let's move to okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki is pretty easy, so we can do that by ourselves. First, spread out the oil. Then, we need to mix this, right? So, mix. There are shrimp, squid, octopus, cabbage, egg, pork, and the flour and water. We should mix it very well. 卵がね。The egg. There is an egg.
Just a half glass of beer makes me so happy.
Nice. Okay? Hi. Yay. Yeehaw. And
Both monjayaki and okonomiyaki are traditional Japanese soul foods enjoyed across regions, each with its unique varieties.
so make it flat. So Hiroshima version is we have noodle, pork slice, egg, but this one is Tokyo version. So only this one, simple one. Okay. So just let's wait. ちょっと don't touch don't touch just be patient. The secret of success is be patient and just wait. Don't touch. The sign of it's ready to turn over is you see the edge of the okonomiyaki is becoming kind of hard and kind of cooked. So it's okay to touch now. See? You can see? So when if it's colored, it's ready to turn over. Okay. いきます。入ります。One, two. ほら。Don't touch. Don't touch. Because there is air inside and it's becoming like a sponge cake. It's becoming bigger. The air is getting bigger and it's but if you press here, the air will be gone and the texture will not be soft enough. So just be patient, wait, don't touch. It's important. And it takes about 20 minutes to cook. 20 minutes. Hi, it's ready. This is sauce. Special okonomiyaki sauce. Put it a lot. Konamon. Wait. Then put the mayonnaise. Okay. Hi. Then then 青のり seaweed 必殺仕事人のドドドンっていう BGM が私の中で書かれてる。いいよね。だーイエーイ熱い熱い熱いだらんだらんだらんはい、OK でございます。うん。もっとソース多い方が美味しかったかも。うん。あ、美味しい。Well done.
Finally, we will end with sweet treats. Crepe with sweet bean paste. I'm big fan of red bean sweets. How about you? The friendly staff skillfully prepared it for us.
なんかもちもちしてる？こっち？ It's good. But actually, I didn't need the additional black sugar sauce because bean paste is sweet enough for me. So maybe you should try first if you like, if you really need another sauce. So yeah, but it's fine. After okonomiyaki and monjayaki, something salty, dessert is really good. あ、美味しい。黒蜜ない方が美味しいよ。The skin, the crepe itself is a little bit salty, so it's a very good combination with sweet beans. So it's really good without this. It's so sweet. It's too sweet. あ、美味しい。ごちそうさまでした。美味しかったです。はい。そして、安い。It's very reasonable. So per person, it costs about 2 to 3,000 yen. It's enough, right? Reasonable casual dish, and let's enjoy Japanese culture here. Japanese traditional cuisine. Yay! 美味しかった。ありがとうございます。いいねいいね。なんか雰囲気も夜になったら、わー。すごい活気がありますね。So today, she accompanied me all day long from the morning to dinner. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So, how did you like our trip? In this video, we introduced Tsukishima, Monjyayaki, and okonomiyaki restaurant. I hope it gonna give you some idea and inspiration of Japanese cuisine. And I hope you would like to come to Japan to enjoy this wonderful time. In this channel, Suzy Discover Japan, I'm gonna introduce you valuable information about Japan and provide you some hints and inspiration for your future travel plan. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, and please write comment where would you like me to focus on in the next video. Your comment is really appreciated. Thank you. Bye.